Every great story begins with a setting that takes your breath away, and this home is no exception. Welcome to 3340 Bloomcrest Drive, a historic gem in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan, built in 1903. This Craftsman-style home, sitting on over 1.37 wooded acres, is where timeless charm meets modern living. But there's more to this home than meets the eye. Stick around, because later in this video, we'll break down what your monthly payment could look like, thanks to David Wexler from Union Home Mortgage. Now let's step inside and discover why this might just be the home that you've been dreaming of. Imagine pulling into this driveway every single day. The gardens, filled with vibrant blooms and natural beauty, feel like stepping into your own secret retreat. The raised decks and balconies are perfect for enjoying summer mornings or a crisp autumn evening. Now here's a fun thought. What would you do with all this space? Host family gathering? Start a vegetable garden? Or maybe just relax and enjoy the quiet? This home gives you the room to live the life that you've always wanted. And wait until you see the guest house. Trust me, it's a game changer. As you step inside, you can feel the history of this home. The original woodwork and craftsmanship tells a story of an era when homes were built to last. The living room, with its large windows and cozy fireplace, feels like a place where life unfolds. Think quiet mornings with coffee, evenings by the fire, and holidays filled with laughter. But this isn't just a home stuck in the past. Wait until you see how beautifully the kitchen brings the best of modern living into this historic space. Every home has a heart, and for this one, it's the kitchen. Recently updated with modern appliances and finishes, it's the perfect space to create new traditions while honoring old ones. Picture baking cookies with the grandkids or hosting dinner parties where everyone gathers around the kitchen island. The dining room, just steps away, is made for meaningful moments. Whether it's Sunday dinners, birthday celebrations, or those impromptu conversations that somehow last for hours. And upstairs, wait until you see the master suite. It's a retreat that you'll never want to leave. It offers you your own private getaway. Imagine starting your mornings on the balcony, the sound of birds in the trees, and ending your day in a room filled with warmth and light. The additional bedrooms are equally inviting, each with its own unique charm, perfect for family, friends, or even creating a dedicated hobby space. And don't forget the guest house. It's not just an extra, it's a world of possibility. We're about to go check it out next. Behind the main house lies an 800 square foot, 2-bedroom guest house, remodeled in the year 2017. This isn't just an addition, it's a whole new opportunity. Maybe it becomes an income-generating rental, a creative studio, or a cozy retreat for family and friends. With its private entrance and attached garage, it's the perfect complement to the main home. And for the hands-on homeowner, the heated workshop offers nearly 1,000 square feet to bring your ideas to life. Imagine the projects you could tackle here. It's a dream space for any craftsman or artist. Now that we've explored the home, let's talk about what makes living in Bloomfield Hills so special, and why this location is perfect for history lovers. Living in Bloomfield Hills means you're surrounded by history and culture. Just a short drive from this home, you'll find the Cranbrook Educational Community, one of the most beautiful and historic campuses in the country. Explore its art museum, gardens, or science institute. It's a local treasure. Another gem is the Frank Lloyd Wright designed Smith House, where you can experience iconic mid-century modern design. And for a day out, head to nearby Birmingham, where boutique shops, fine dining, and community events bring the area to life. Of course, Detroit is just 25 miles away, offering a rich history of its own. From the Detroit Institute of Arts to the Motown Museum, there's so much to explore just a short drive from your front door. We've uncovered the charm and the history of this incredible home. But now it's time to dive into the numbers. To help break it down, we consulted with David Wexler from Union Home Mortgage to give us a clear picture of what owning 3340 Bloomcrest Drive could look like. For a home priced at $1.1 million with a 20% down payment of $220,000, you'd be financing $880,000. Assuming a 7% interest rate, your estimated monthly mortgage payment, including taxes and insurance, would be approximately $7,155. This example factors in an annual homeowner's insurance premium of $2,400 and property taxes of about $1,099 per month, both held in escrow. If you're interested in exploring personalized financing options, David is here to guide you every step of the way. 3340 Bloomcrest Drive isn't just a home. It's a piece of history waiting for its next chapter. Whether it's the charm of the main house, the possibilities of the guest house, or the beauty of its surroundings, this is a home that has it all. Living here means more than just owning a house. It means being part of a legacy, building memories, and creating a life in one of Michigan's most special communities. Listed for $1.1 million, this historic Craftsman-style home is ready to welcome its next chapter. If you'd like to learn more or schedule a private showing, give me a call. I'd love to help you make this home your own. Thanks for joining me on this tour of 3340 Bloomcrest Drive. If this home feels like it could be part of your story, reach out to me directly. And a big thank you to Union Home Mortgage and David Wexler for sponsoring this video and helping make homeownership dreams come true. I'm Chris with History Loves Company. Remember, every home has a story. Let's discover yours.